Trends can influence what shoppers search for, when they begin shopping, and which products receive more attention throughout the year. But how do you find these trends so you can actually make what customers want to buy? Here at eRank, we actually have a tool to make the process of trend research super easy. The TrendBuzz tool helps you identify popular keywords on Etsy and several other marketplaces. And this data is updated daily, giving you a quick way to see what shoppers are searching for now, while also providing historical information that can help you to recognize seasonal patterns. In this video, I'll show you how to use the TrendBuzz step by step, interpret the most important metrics, and save promising keywords for further research. For those who are new here, eRank provides tools that help Etsy sellers research keywords, monitor trends, analyze competitors, and make more informed decisions for their shops. Like what to make for the busy holiday shopping rush. Let's hop over to my screen where I'll show you exactly how to access the eRank TrendBuzz tool. First, look to the navigation window to the left of the screen. Then click Trends. From here, click on the TrendBuzz tool. On this page, you'll already see a lot of great data, including a list of trending keywords based on the marketplace, country, and time frame currently selected. The TrendBuzz displays the most popular search terms from the selected period. Free members can view the top 10 keywords for each marketplace, while Basic, Pro, and Expert members can view the top 100. Let's begin by locating the Marketplace drop-down menu above the list on the left side of the page. Click the drop-down and select the marketplace that you want to research. For this example, we'll select Etsy, which will be displayed by default. TrendBuzz also supports several other marketplaces, which can be useful when you want to compare Etsy search behavior with broader shopping trends. Keep in mind that the available metrics and time frame options may vary depending on the marketplace that you select. Next, click the country drop-down beside the marketplace menu. Then select the country whose search data you would like to view. For this example, we'll select the United States. Now we'll move to the right side of the page and click the time frame drop-down, where we'll choose the period that you want to research. Depending on the marketplace, TrendBuzz may provide daily, weekly, or monthly options. For Etsy specifically, you can also review keyword trend data from the past 12 months. Looking at shorter timeframes are useful for spotting recent movement, while longer timeframes can help you to identify seasonality and determine whether interest in a keyword is growing, declining, or returning at the same time each year. When preparing for the holidays, you can review the previous months to see when shoppers began searching for seasonal products. This can help you decide when to create, photograph, and publish your listings. Once you select a time frame, the list will update automatically. Let's review the data that the TrendBuzz displays. The first column is labeled Keywords. This column shows the top trending search terms for your selected marketplace, country, and time frame. After generating this list, you'll want to look for terms that are relevant to your products, your customers, or upcoming product ideas. A trending keyword should still accurately describe what you sell though, so avoid using popular phrases simply because they appear in the TrendBuzz. The tool can also help explain changes in your existing traffic. If a keyword used in one of your listings is gaining popularity, that may contribute to an increase in visits. If interest is declining, it may help explain why traffic has slowed down. Once you find a keyword that you want to explore, you can click directly on that term, which opens the keyword in eRank's keyword tool, where you can perform a more detailed analysis and review the top listings found in Etsy search for that phrase. While the TrendBuzz helps you discover what's currently popular, the keyword tool helps you decide whether the phrase may be useful for your shop. Let's return to the TrendBuzz to continue researching. You may also notice a bar labeled Search Interest in the data table. This column shows the popularity of each keyword relative to the other trending terms in the same report, which can help you quickly compare the keywords currently receiving the most attention. Because the measurement is relative, the results will change when you select a different marketplace, country, or time frame. You'll also notice that some marketplaces, like Etsy, include a search trend column. This interactive graph shows how the popularity of a keyword has changed over the past 15 months. Move your cursor over the bars in the graph to view changes in search volume over time. This can help you identify seasonal patterns. You may notice that a holiday keyword begins rising several months before the actual holiday, or that a product theme has been gaining interest steadily throughout the year. Next, we'll look at the change column, which shows us whether a keyword is trending up, trending down, or remaining relatively consistent. Increases are shown in green, while decreases are shown in red. Seeing a rising keyword may indicate that it deserves additional research, especially when it's relevant to your product. However, a declining keyword may still be useful when the decrease is part of a normal seasonal cycle. Next, let's look at the colored gauges to the right of the table. The average searches column shows the average number of monthly searches for each keyword based on the previous 12 months of Etsy data. The average clicks column shows the average number of clicks the keyword receives each month. The average CTR column displays the average click-through rate, which compares clicks with searches. Together, these metrics help you understand both demand and shopper engagement for these trending keywords. A keyword may receive many searches but relatively few clicks. Another term may have fewer searches but stronger engagement from the shoppers using it. So reviewing these three metrics together rather than relying on a single number alone can help you create a clearer picture of shopper intent. When Etsy is selected in the TrendBuzz tool, you will also see the Etsy competition column. This shows the number of listings matched to the keyword, not including ads or personalized search results. Lower competition means fewer listings are matched to that phrase, while higher competition means more listings are competing for that search. When trying to select the best keywords for your listings, competition should always be considered alongside relevance, searches, clicks, and click-through rate. But it's still okay to use highly competitive keywords in your listings, as long as they accurately describe what the item is. The TrendBuzz tool gives Etsy sellers a fast way to discover popular searches, monitor seasonal changes, and identify keywords that may deserve deeper research. We recommend using the TrendBuzz regularly throughout the year, and begin your seasonal research early enough to prepare your products and listings before shoppers begin searching. And as always, be sure to click the subscribe button for even more eRank tutorials from the team. And join Pam Duthie and I live every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern for our weekly Q&A right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.